I got this espresso maker. I am just now trying it for the first time. It has an instruction manual, and it does say that these little lights up here, I'll show you, they flash, and when they're done flashing, that means it's hot, and that you can push this button here, because I want 2 espressos, a double, and so I'll let it flash for a minute until it's ready to make coffee. Anyway, this is the first time to use it, so I'm waiting. I did run some hot water through it just to make sure I got it preheated, and now it says, oh, let's see, it's on there. Okay, single, according, then press button of the selected function. After warming for a moment, there will be coffee pouring out. So we're waiting for it. I pre-warmed it, but it does come with a coffee scoop and the small, I just haven't unpacked them yet, the small, like if you're going to do a single, I have the one for doing a double in there. So I don't know. Oh, and then the water tank, it's got a nice size water tank back there too. Seems to take quite a while to get started. I'm going to try holding the button in to see if maybe that's, sometimes the instructions are not too clear. Well, I can show you, give it a little more time. On this side, you have the knob, and I guess this is your different levels of steaming right here, but this here one is hot water, and then you can just put hot water into that. But you don't want to do hot water until after you make your coffee. I pushed it and let go, and now it's making coffee. Well, looks like we've got a pretty good froth going there. I guess it makes quite a bit. I'm just going to have another cup handy here just in case it don't shut off. So that must be for a very large 2 cups. And it is hot. So as you can see, that made a really pretty cup of coffee.